Good. Excellent. I got you. You're not going to fall. Rest your head. I got you. You're going to get good rotation. Lumbar sacrum hip. Wow. See all that compression?
Oh, yes.
All that compressive force. We open and release. Good.
Wow. This is good.
Right there. Nice and relaxed.
Ooh. Wow. Who can say this can make you feel so good?
Take a nice deep breath in. Blow it all the way out.
You don't know how much I needed this.
You do?
Yes.
Everybody does. See?
Wow.
And this right side is really tight. So we're going to start there. Drop that shoulder. Nice and relaxed. Over here. Still drop that shoulder. Nice and relaxed. Good.